हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ये आप सबको लेके जाते हैं एक नई जगह, रंगनथिट्टू बर्ड सेंचुरी सिचुएटेड इन श्रीरंगपट्टनम। This water is full of crocodiles. Small painted frogs, pink color. So we covered most of the places in this bird sanctuary. Now we are heading towards the Tipu Sultan's summer palace, which is around 4 to 5 kilometers from here. तो जब हम यहाँ आए तो चलिए वो भी देख लेते हैं. Maybe I'll cover it in the next vlog. We are heading towards Darya Daulat Bagh, which is also situated in Srirangapatna. It is also called the Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace, which was built by him in 1784. So this palace is made up of teak wood, and it has got wall murals on it and beautiful paintings. So it is also called the Garden of Sea of Wealth. Visiting this place, Srirangapatna, you must visit the Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary and also the Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace. So we are at Darya Daulat Bagh, the Tipu Sultan Summer Palace and Museum. So we are here at the palace. This is the entrance of Darya Daulat Bagh, and you can see so much of crowd there, basically trying to buy tickets online.
As soon as you enter Darya Daulat Bagh Palace, you are greeted by a beautiful garden. After the death of Hyder Ali in 1782, Tipu Sultan ruled Mysore from this place for a short time till his death in 1799. He constructed this palace in 1784. In 1780, during the Second Anglo-Mysore War or the Battle of Polilur, Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan together defeated the British East India Company with the help of the French army and started ruling over Mysore for quite some time. So Tipu Sultan chose Srirangapatnam to rule over Mysore and build palaces and forts. So we are at Darya Daulat Bagh and we are here. Now this palace is surrounded by Kaveri river from all the sides, and let's go to the palace and see the palace now. So this palace was built by Tipu Sultan in 1784. He ruled for a short period and he died in 1799 in the 4th Anglo-Indian War against the Britishers. Now this palace is made on a raised platform
This is a teakwood palace, and it is surrounded by open corridors, and all the walls and the ceilings are painted, and these paintings are still the same. They have never been repainted but preserved well in their original form. Palace is surrounded by a beautiful garden, as you can see, and this looks like the Shalimar Bagh of Kashmir. Inside the palace and see what is all inside. I've heard that this palace contains many of the artifacts used by Tipu Sultan. A lot of wall paintings are still preserved there. Many coins used in that era are also there.
To preserve the wall paintings from the sunlight, the palace is covered by curtains from all sides. This palace was the garden house of Tipu Sultan and subsequently Colonel Arthur Wellesley and afterwards Duke of Wellington. As you enter, you can see a wall painting depicting the war where Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali are on one side, whereas Colonel Bailey with his army on the other side. And on top, you can see the Nizam of Hyderabad, who had come to help the Britishers but a little late.
So this is a wall painting depicting Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali, and they defeated the Britishers in 1782.
The outer walls have war paintings and portraits, whereas the inner walls have scroll of thin foliage and floral pattern. This palace has a rectangular plan and open corridors along the four sides. Inside the museum, you can see many paintings, portraits, sketches of that era. Many well-preserved coins, guns, and clothes worn by Tipu Sultan are also kept. And here is a painting of young Tipu Sultan. Outside you can see the cannons used in the Anglo-Mysore Wars. And these curtains are preserving the paintings inside.
This is a very small palace, but still they have a few artifacts there, and they do not allow you to film inside, so we could just take some pictures. Few of the paintings you can go and see. You are not allowed to go on the top portion, and few things were used by Tipu Sultan. The weapons, the coins, etc. have been kept there, so you can see those. And I think you can just cover it in half an hour. Here are the facilities: drinking water, cafeteria, and all these are closed due to COVID. And this is the parking lot. the carriage. For historical reasons, or if you have interest in history, then you can come here and see the palace. But अगर आप आते भी हैं तो आपका 10-20 minutes में ये palace cover हो जाएगा. So Srirangapatna is 15 kilometers away from Mysore. So in case you are planning a trip to Mysore, you can club this trip to Srirangapatna with Mysore, or you can stay at Mysore and visit this place. So along with this Darya Daulat Bagh Palace, you can also visit the Gumbas where the tombs of Tipu Sultan and his father mother are there. But since we are short on time, we are not visiting this place. Vrindavan Garden is also nearby, so you can visit Vrindavan Garden. But we will be planning that in our next trip, because Vrindavan Garden trip takes almost half to almost a full day, because you have light and sound show also there. So we'll be planning a full day trip for Vrindavan Gardens. So we are heading back towards Bangalore now. It will take us another 3 hours to reach Bangalore. So I hope you all enjoyed this trip to Ranganthito Bird Sanctuary and the Summer Palace of Tipu Sultan. Till we meet again, stay happy, enjoy life and stay safe wherever you are.